welcome to Helen English Hub. Pronunciation in use, sound pairs.
D42. Sound pairs 36.
Art, arch. What, watch. Paid, page. Head, hedge.
1.
Art, art.
2.
What, what.
3.
Paid, page.
4.
Hedge, head.
5.
Arch, art.
6.
Page, page.
7.
Watch, what.
8.
Torch.
9.
Aid.
10.
It's a tropical beat.
11.
He took the coach all the way to London.
12.
It went over my hedge into the next garden.
D43. Sound pair 37.
Leaf, leave. Half, halve. Safer, savour. Ferry, very.
1.
Leaf, leave.
2.
Half, half.
3.
Savour, safer.
4.
Ferry, ferry.
5.
Leaf, leave.
6.
Halve, half.
7.
Savour, savour.
8.
That's over.
9.
This is where we lived.
10.
That's quite a few.
11.
Ask your wife's friends.
12.
A current of air.
D44. Sound pair 38.
Vet, wet. Veil, whale. Invite, in white. Verse, worse.
1.
Vet, wet.
2.
Whale, veil.
3.
Invite, invite.
4.
Worse, verse.
5.
Wet, wet.
6.
Whale, whale.
7.
In white, invite.
8.
Made aware.
9.
Which is verse?
10.
It's next to the wine.
11.
It's in the vest.
12.
Half a weight.
D45. Sound pairs 39.
Fin, thin. Deaf, death. Loaves, loathes. Van, than.
1.
Thin, thin.
2.
Death, deaf.
3.
Loaves, loathes.
4.
Van, van.
5.
Thin, thin.
6.
Loathes, loathes.
7.
Deaf, deaf.
8,
Thirst.
9,
I got these free gifts.
10,
It's a thought.
11,
What some of us first thought.
12.
I don't know either.
D46. Sound pair 40.
Goat, coat. Glass, class. Dog, dock. Pig, pick.
1,
Coat, coat.
2,
Class, glass.
3,
Dog, dog.
4,
Pig, pick.
5,
Coat, goat.
6,
Class, glass.
7,
Dock, dog.
8,
The gap's too small.
9,
His back was broken.
10,
Did you see the ghost?
11,
There was a card by the door.
12.
Is it gold?
D47. Sound pair 41.
Hill, ill. Hold, old. Here, ear. Hall, all.
1,
Ill, ill.
2,
Hold, hold.
3,
Here, ear.
4,
All, hall.
5,
Hill, hill.
6,
Hold, old.
7,
Ear, ear.
8,
8.
9,
Heart.
10,
You can smell it in the hair.
11,
She lost her earring.
12.
They aren't heating it properly.
D48. Sound pair 42.
Use, juice. Yaw, jaw. Yoke, joke. Yet, jet.
1,
Use, juice.
2,
Yaw, jaw.
3,
Joke, joke.
4,
Jet, yet.
5,
Juice, juice.
6,
Jaw, jaw.
7,
Yoke, joke.
8,
Jet.
9,
Until July.
10,
I don't see the yolk.
11,
Did you see yours?
12.
What's the juice?
Thanks for your watching. If you like the video, please like, share or subscribe. Thank you.